Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. Hey. So you guys will not be seeing my face in this video. You're going to be seeing majority of my hands. So I haven't done a video like this before ever, but in today's video, guys, we're going to do a DIY, okay? And so the DIY is going to be wall art. I have not done a DIY before. I'm super duper excited about doing this. So, comment below and let me know if you guys are good with DIYs. But this is just something new and different that I want to do. I'm going to use this brush. I need to use this Mr. Clean eraser, a comb, and I'm going to be using these paint brushes. So I know you guys are like, what in the heck? So yeah, y'all, we're gonna have a little bit of fun. I got these brushes from the Dollar Tree. They're the chunky brushes. And I also got this paint from the Dollar Tree. I got a red paint. I want to make sure you guys get a good look at that because I'm filming in my garage, so the lighting down here is not that great, but I did my best. Plus I had the garage doors up and I had a lamp on the table, but it was raining this day actually. And I also got the color in black as well. I got some gloves, scissors, some actual paint tape. And I decided to go with 2 of the foam boards just in case, hey, it wasn't nothing but $1. So I just went ahead and got 2. But hold on, you guys. We're going to use the foam boards to do the practice part. But I do have an actual canvas. And I only got 1 of these. So I was like, let me practice first on the foam boards that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then we can go ahead and work on the canvas. All right, so the first thing you want to do is take your actual paint tape or whatever kind of tape that you want to use. As you can see here, I'm struggling trying to find where the actual tape lines start. But if you have like a specific kind of shape in mind or something that you want to use or design you already decided to take out, then you'll be more than welcome to put it any kind of way you want. It's totally up to you. It is your art and you want it to be fun and zazzy. You want it to be appealing to you. So yeah, if you want that, then that's fine, no problems. Now some of the parts of the video, guys, I will be speeding up. Just want to give you a heads up on that. But yeah, so we're just gonna place our paint tape down and just see how we want our design to look. All right, you guys, so this is what my taping design looks like. So I know you like, hey, what are you doing here? And I only have 4 little sections, for this huge board. But anyway, let's go ahead and open up my paint colors. So typically, if you guys are, do a lot of DIY wall arts or just arts themselves, let me know how many paint options do you have? Do you have a lot of paints? Do you use fewer colors? Just let me know. I only chose 2 because, like I said, this is my first time doing it. So yeah, I only got 2 colors. But I think if this turns out pretty good, I'm gonna probably explore more paint options. But yeah, I only got 2 for the sake of this video. So I'm gonna use this is gonna be a fun little trick project here. So on one section of the design, I'm going to use a brush. for the next section, I'm going to use a Mr. Clean eraser. The next section, I'm going to use a fine tooth comb. And then we're going to use I like to call it like a little spongy type, cushiony, soft brush. I like to call it, I don't know the name of it, you guys. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to decide which color we're going to go ahead and use. And this is going to be fun. This is one of the things that I did see when I was doing some research, you know, on doing a DIY wall paint. And so I was like, okay, I like this. So basically what we're going to do with these items, you guys, is that we're going to use the items and we're going to paint with each one of them. But each one of them are supposed to have like a different pattern once you use it. So we're just going to see how this goes. And then, yeah, we're going to see how this goes. So the first one we're going to use is the paintbrush. And I think what I did was, well, what I did right here was I actually mixed the black and the red paint together. And as you can see, it kind of reminds me of cherry Coke. It kind of reminds me of cherry Coke. And, you know, I knew that using the paintbrush, it was going to just come out really just like, you know, just painting anything else. So I just wanted to just use the paintbrush just to look at the groove and how the texture was gonna turn out. And it's pretty much what I expected. See? And we're going to use a dollop of red right here. So funny because it kind of looks like pink. It looks pink when I was pouring it out. And we're going to use the comb. And we're going to just, you know, just stroke it back and forth. Stroke it back and forth. See what kind of pattern using the comb does. Now I can see here that I definitely need to use some more paint. Okay. Different. this was a nice little test, I suppose. Now we're going to take the tape off to see the final results. Of course, I was supposed to wait till it completely dry, but you know, like I said, this is just a test, you guys. All right, you guys, look at this masterpiece. I'm going to insert a better picture so you guys get a few. I'm going to insert a better picture. All right, now we're going to actually work on my canvas. Y'all, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous, but I'm excited. This is going to be fun. So we're going to actually work on my canvas now. So the first thing we want to do is to apply the paint tape. Okay, now that I have my blue tape down, now it's time to get to painting and making my personalized DIY wall art. Oh, yes, you guys, I'm gonna have fun doing this. So I'm gonna start off with the red paint, and I am going to probably forward some of this. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna speed it up, but we shall see. So I am going to go with the fine comb method. I thought that was pretty cool. I liked it. I like that pattern. I just like the way it looks. So I decided to use that on my canvas. The only thing about it, as you can see, you definitely want to apply as much paint as you possibly think that you would need in the beginning, because if not, you're going to end up going back and just adding more paint, which is fine. But I think ideally you want to put it on, you want to put all the paint that you're going to need in the beginning, so when you're stroking it with the comb, it'll come out a little bit more defined. But it's art, so you know, hey. Voila, that looks good. Looks really good. We're going to use the black paint, and I'm going to put some up here in this corner, like so. In this pattern, I'm going to use the little soft brush, bristly little brush. So you guys, in the next pattern I'm gonna use, I decided to do something a little bit different. So I think it's gonna be fun. I think it's gonna bring a little bit pop to the wall art. However, you guys, this is so unfortunate. I will not be revealing it in this video. So you guys, you're gonna have to wait. You're gonna actually get to see the canvas in the upcoming video that I will be showing you guys how it's gonna turn out. I'm definitely gonna have my masterpiece, you know, in that video. All right, you guys, that concludes our DIY video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will honestly be revealing this extremely soon with a decorate with me that I have coming up. So until then, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.